Okay, so wakas tapos na ang summary. So, welcome back guys on the Talking Rex Show. And ilalapit na po natin ang topic number 4 and the summary na time consuming times yung summary kasi. So, okay. So, first, let's proceed. Kinlatch ko yung oras. Oh my God. Okay. So, here is our last and the final topic of this episode. So, ito yung nakalagay. Ano naman, nalalag ang aking Canva. Hello. Okay. So, ayan. Okay na tayo. So, here it is. The most generous content creator. So, kunwari, nandito si, yung most generous content creator sa buong mundo sa Pilipinas. Di ba, may end yung poverty, no? Siyempre, yes. Kasi, he is rich and sometimes he can do challenge like gagawa siya ng challenge, then basta yung kinukuha niya yung mga players ng taga ibang bansa, kung sino mag-volunteer na maglalaro ng challenge niya para makuha mo yung $500,000 and some ton of dollars. So, ano ba yung nakalagay na most generous content creator? So, siya na yan. Si Mr. Beast. Yan yung final topic natin, which is all about Mr. Beast. So, ayan, si Mr. Beast. Siya ang gumawa ng mga games, ng mga challenges, and some of more of content. Like, for example, hinahabol ng police, hinahabol ng and some challenges na ginagawa niya. So, Mr. Beast is also known as James Stephen Jimmy Donaldson, or known as Mr. Beast. So, he was born on May 7, 1998. So, he is an American YouTuber, media personality, businessman, philanthropist, and actor. He is the founder of Beast Industries, a conglomerate that holds various media channels, Mr. Beast Burger, Feastables, Lunchly, and more. He produced high-placed YouTube videos built around elaborate challenges and philanthropic efforts that are noted for their high production values. With more than 500 million subscribers, his main challenge is the most subscribed on YouTube. He is also the third most followed account on TikTok. So, siya yun, si Mr. Beast. So, yun. So siya yun si Mr. Beast. Yung gumagawa ng challenge, gumagawa ng games, gumagawa ng kung ano-anong content for clouds. So, yan. So, kung ako yung isang player ng Mr. Beast, sa tingin mo, kaya ba ba yung challenge yun? Siyempre, medyo lang. Kasi, yung sa interesado na maglalo ng game nila, pwede naman. Kung gusto ko sumali for dollars or something, pwede naman din. Basta kung nasa America. So, ayan. I'll speak in English. If you're in America and if you just want to join his challenge, maybe if you're interested, you may join. You may join. So, yan. So, Donaldson was born in Wichita, Kansas, and raised in Greenville, North Carolina. He began posting videos to YouTube in early 2012 under Mr. Beast 6000. His early uploads range from Let's Play videos to estimate of other YouTubers' wealth. In January 2017, after his video, I counted to 100,000. Drew 10 of thousands of views with days. His productions quickly became more extravagant. As the audience expanded, Donaldson brought longtime friends into the brand and launched companion channels including Beast Reacts, inactive as of 2026, formerly Beast Hacks, Mr. Beast Gaming, Mr. Beast 2, formerly Mr. Beast Shorts, and Beast Philanthropy. So he co-founded Team Trees, a foundator of the Arbor Day Foundation, and that has been more than $24 million, and launched Lunchly, a food and snack brand made to compete with Lunchables. He also co-founded Team Seas, a fundraising for ocean conservancy and the ocean cleanup that has raised over 30 million, and created the reality competition series Beast Games. So yan yung ginagawa niyang philanthropy na game challenge na yung Beast Games. So ang Beast Games parang lang naman yun, parang Squid Game lang naman yun, pero it is not deadly. Kung eliminated ka, then you need to go out, you need to get out of the game, and you need to better luck next time. And ang Squid Game kasi violent yun eh. So i-discuss ko po yung kung ano yung series ng Squid Game by the next episode. So yan, in 2025, he co-founded Team Water, another fundraiser that raised over $40 million for WaterAid. And Donaldson won the Creator of the Year award at the Stream Awards in 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. He also won Favorite Male Creator at the 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025 Nickelodeon Kids Choice Awards. In 2023, Time named him one of the 100 most influential people. And the magazine included him in the 2025 Top 100 Creators list. Forbes ranked him first among the highest-paid YouTube creators in 2024. Fortune estimated his net worth at approximately $2.6 billion in 2026. Grabe. Napaka-rich siya, napaka-successful siya. Pero pagdating dun sa generous, napaka-generous siya. Pag naglalaro po tayo ng games. Yun. Napaka-generous din siya eh. Dinodonate niya yung dollars and some of mga building dun sa Africa and some parts of India and South America. Kung gusto mo makakita kung anong ginagawa niyo, you may see to build hundreds schools in different countries. So yan, maano po yung video yan. So yan yung si Mr. Beast. Okay, summary na tayo. Doon na po tayo nag-time consuming nun eh. So those in relationships are watching the Japanese Grand Prix at Suzuka to see their idol's performance. And why is the most generous at their side? So ayun yung lang summary natin. Ano ba yung one picture in 4 topics? Next slide. Ayun na yun. Ayun na yun. Ayun na yung yung time consuming eh. Ito yung nakalagay. So ayun yung third topic, yung character. And yung sinusuot niyang Alpine na cap tapos yung Alpine na shirt. Yan yung topic number 2 natin, which is si Pure Gasly. At yung hinahawak na Feastables. Hinahawak na Feastables. Yan yung topic number 4, which is si Mr. Beast. Ito topic natin yung Feastables at the next episode. Yung isang chocolate brand na is owned by Mr. Beast. Ang Feastables. And yung sa likod niya, Suzuka Circuit. Yan yung topic number 1, Suzuka. Ang Suzuka Circuit, nasa Japan. Suzuka. Mie Prefecture, Suzuka. Nasa yun? And yung sa likod niya, yung Ferris wheel. And yan. Yun na yun. Yan yung topic number 1, yung Suzuka Circuit. While yung topic number 2 is yung sinusuot niya. Topic number 3 is the character, and the topic number 4 is yung hinawak niya. Hindi yung cellphone Hindi yung cellphone. Yung Feastables yun. Yan dito. So yan. Ayan na yun. Yan na yung topic. And Terima kasi. Ayan. Terima kasi. Thank you for listening to us. So ayan. So ayan po nagtatapos yung mga topics for today's episode. Yun na yun. Then, sabi dito kay Midori, day 2, magbabayo ako na naman. Magbabayo na naman ako. So, before ako magbabayo emote by MSA, isasend ko yung sa chat yung grabe spoiler. Oh my god. Okay. So, aside from baka mapapilot pa na naman ako sa YouTube yung yung bio na ni MSA. So, I'll make it 10 seconds na lang. So, yun. Send natin yung one picture in 4 topics. Yan na yun. Yan. Yan na yung yan yung napakita dun sa sa one picture in 4 topics. So, tapos na po tayo dun sa mga topics ng episode 11. And another plot twist. Magbabayo emote na naman ako. Ayan. So, okay. Ko lang muna. I-stand ko yung phone ko dito. Just to make sure na makita yung bio emote ko. Ayan. I'll make it 10 seconds na lang po. Para hindi po Okay. Tingnan ko lang kung nakakano na ako sa camera. Ayan, pakita ko. Okay. Timer natin 30 seconds. And ang bio po natin ay 10 seconds. So, punta tayo sa timer. Ay, sa clock. Ang last na bio natin.
Oh my God, bro is gonna do it. Bro is gonna do it. No, oh no.
Okay.
YouTube, please, sana wag mo
30
kami
seconds,
i-take down.
26, 25. Okay, here we go. So, pagsapit ng... Okay.
Mag-open cam ka. Ay.
Ayan, okay na. So, pagsapit ng 10 seconds, makikita mo yung bio ko. Okay. Ayan na. Here we go.
Hindi ko lang ipo-full screen, baka maano naman ang YouTube, pre. Hindi ko ipo-full screen. Hindi ko ipo-full screen, pre. Sige lang, pre.
Yun na yun. Baka ano pa tayo ng YouTube eh.
Di ko naman na full
Tapos
screen.
na yung timer. Hindi na full screen.
Hindi, daya mo, pre. Ano, pre? Pinapatakbo mo yung timer, tas pagkatapos dun ka na bumabayo, pre. Oh, pinatakbo mo yung... Pinatakbo mo yung timer.
Ulitin natin. Gawin
Sige
natin
nga.
5 seconds yung bio. Kasi, baka maano tayo ng YouTube eh. Base kasi sinasabi ni RJ. So, gawin natin 5 seconds.
Sige.
So, yan. Okay. Ano natin muna yung timer uli na 30 seconds. Tapos pagsapit ng 5 seconds, magbabayo ako. Bio emote,
Dapat pag-
MSA.
Dapat pag-start ng timer, dapat magbabayo ka agad. Sige, bibilangin nga kita. Bibilangin kita, pre. Sige, pre. 1, 2, 3. Sige. 1.
Okay, 5 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Oh, yan na. 5, 4, 3, 2,
2, 1.
Okay.
Oh na. Oh my God, bro. Hindi na to The Talking Rex Show, pre. The Talking Bayo Show. Ay.
Oh my God. Ayan, naka 5 seconds na tayo.
Ayan.
Then bukas na naman sa The Talking Rex Show, magbabayo na naman uli. Then Friday, last bio natin. But, ang challenge doon is 20 seconds.
Pre, ang masasabi ko sa'yo, pre, ha? Pre, agahan mo yung PowerPoint mo, pre, ha? Agahan mo gawin, pre. Agahan mo, pre, ha?
Natutulog kasi ako eh. Ay, napala si
Natutulog ka. Uy, what's up kay Pre Apple Tomato? Magkaibigan tong dalawang panig, mga boss, diba? Ay.
Ayun. So,
Pre Apple, alam mo ba, Pre Apple? Sandali mo na.
Mag-announce na po ako dun sa smile announcement about sa topic natin for tomorrow.
Sige.
Mag-show pa rin ako tomorrow.
Sige ha, agahan mo.
Smileys.
Okay. Pre Apple, alam mo ba, Pre Apple, si Rex, pre, bumabayo na naman, pre. Pagkatapos ng bayo, pre, dyan ka pa pumasok, pre. Natatakot ako sa ginagawa niya, pre. Buti ang layo niya, hindi ko pinull screen yung camera, pre. Hindi ko pinull screen, pre. Yari
Buti
tayo
nga,
sa
hindi naman sa
YouTube.
screen eh.
Oo nga naman, hindi ko na full screen. Yari tayo sa YouTube.
Okay, baka okay. Dahil po dun sa sa YouTube, yung kino-complain ni RJ, hindi na po ako magbabayo tomorrow and Friday. Yun
Ay, pwede ka naman magbabayo, pero lang, pre. Hindi ko lang ipa-full screen yung camera, baka mayari tayo ng YouTube. Pwede ka lang naman lang.
Mag-i-AI kasi ng YouTube din eh.
Kasi, pre. Alam mo ba, pre? Guys, alam nyo ba, guys, yung YouTube, pre? Pre? YouTube is restricting people who are only showing the faces of the innocent Apple.
Ayun.
And also those innocent hosts, and then
Tama.
those AI slabs, yung mga may mga bastos, pre, hindi nila nire-restrict. Ay.
Guys, na-restrict po yung YouTube dahil sa akin. Na-restrict yung YouTube channel natin dahil sa akin. Oh my God.
Okay,
Nadama
magsasabi
yung-
ako na kailangan ng 5-star para magta-topic na ako ng Kiss Exist na Ayokong itatopic yun.
Anyways,
Baka ako eh. Baka ako ng YouTube
Ang
guidelines
masasabi ko lang sa YouTube, fix your AI moderation.
Oh,
Tama.
fix your AI moderation because I just got restricted for an hour. Ano, yung hinihingi
Okay.
sa akin ng
Magsasabi
meta,
ako ng
pre.
here, ah.
Oh, sige. Sige, stop ka na dyan.
5 stars.
Yung hinihingi kasi sa meta, pre.
Baka mano ako, baka baka ma-violate kasi ako ng YouTube.
They are-
Topic ako ng Kiss Exis na anime.
No, they are
Kasi kung
asking.
sino nanonood ng Kiss Exis na anime, wala na yun. Napakanin,
Ano
nababastos
ako,
yun eh.
pre? Mabait ako, pre. Ay, mali.
Bawal, hindi ko itatopic yung Kiss
Mabait
Exis.
ako.
Wala na kasi yung anime na matatopic ko eh.
Pre,
Demon
ano lang,
Slayer.
pre?
Oh, pwede naman Demon Slayer. Yun
Overflow!
na yun, pero-
Overflow! Ay, mali, mali. Iba yun.
Hoy, 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 Walang sabi yun! Oh my God!
Ba't nyo alam ang overflow?
Bawal yan!
Ba't nyo alam ang overflow? Tatanungin ko muna kayo, ba't nyo alam yung overflow? Ay,
Oo nga. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko rin alam yun.
Ay,
Ayaw ko Sabi ka na patay tayo dyan. Okay, so, topic natin
Sige, sige.
tomorrow. So, na-mention ko yung dalawang topic na i-discuss tomorrow, which is the Feastables and yung isa na hindi ko na naman natandandaan. Oh my God, ano ba yun? Yung ano? Feastables, aside from
alam
Feastables.
nyo yung overflow, ay.
Basta Feastables tapos yung isa. So, Feastables, Feastables. Then next naman.
Tapos overflow. Ay.
Hindi, ano pre? Ano pre? Pistables? Ay, pistables? Ay, iba pala yun.
Feastables. And,
Pistables.
yung hindi ko pala nasabing ano yung kahapon, yung nasabi kong topic ngayon. Yung ano, yung kinakrush ni J4. Yung ano,
No! The power of two! No!
hindi yung the power of, yung ano, yung galing doon.
No! No! No!
No! Ay,
Teapot. Feastables, origin of Teapot. Show origin pala, show origin. Kasi yan yung, season
The
kasi
power
yung
of two
Teapot
nga.
eh. Oh. Okay, show origin of Teapot. Yung isang F1 drive, ay yung F1 yung na ano nagbanggit ko yung ano eh. Sa ano pa yun? Sa debut ng The Talking Action sa Cool FM. August 31. Mag-show pa rin ako kahit exam. Yan. And next naman, anong topic na ano, isang Formula 1 driver. Si Hulkenberg. Nico Hulkenberg. Yun. Nico Hulk. And
Pero jokes aside guys, abangan po ninyo sa The Talking Rex Show. Magta-topic po si Rex ng Feastables.
No!
Feastables. Oh,
Ay.
Feastables. Feastables. Yan. Yan yung ano ni Mr. Beast eh.
Ano, pre?
Then, ano pa ba?
Boku no Pico. Ay, mali.
Mr. Beast.
Oy!
Top 5 topics yun ah. Kasi ang Feastables at Mr. Beast friends kasama na yun eh. Magkano into one topic yun. Kasi it's all about Mr. Beast naman yun ulit eh. And another one, country, India. Indium. Indium.
Idiom kasi, anong India? Ay,
Indium. Basta kung ano yung Indium, country yun ah.
India yun,
So,
pre.
kung nag-pronounce ng Indium, India na yan. So, yan na yun. Okay, yan na yung topic. So, ito yung mga topic bukas sa The Talking Rex Show. Indium. So, kung nag-pronounce ka ng ano ng country na Indium, alam mo na yan. India na yung ano, yung nakalagay. India yung ano, India yung nakapasok. Then, on the next naman is Mr. Beast Friends and the Feastables. So, actually, ano yun eh, may 2.2.1 at 2.2.2 ulit. Then next naman, si Nico Hulkenberg. Nico Hulkenberg, yung isang Formula 1 driver sa Audi. And the last topic, which is the show origin of The Power of Two. Na hindi ko na naman alam kung anong show na yun, yung
No!
galing sa The Power of Two na yan. So,
No! Ay, no.
So yan, nabanggit ko na yung mga topics na yun for bukas. And doon na po tayo nagtatapos ng The Talking Rex Show. Up next on The Talking Rex Show, here is our topic uli. Feastables, show origin of Teapot, Nico Hulkenberg, Mr. Beast Friends, and India. Indium na yung ano. Ay, pwede ka si J4! Wala si J4! Wala si J4!
No!
J4! Jump!
Kapangyarihan ng bukas.
Magkikita po tayo ulit sa The Talking Rec Show bukas. See you later. I see you tomorrow. And mabuhay po kayo. Tignan mo yung announcement ni J4. Announcement ni
Mabuhay! Mabuhay
Mabuhay.
mga ka-smileys! Mabuhay mga kalamaw!
Oh my God. Wait lang. Hindi na. Tapos na. Bye-bye.